Nubia Red Magic 5G Lite with 5100 mAh battery, quad rear cameras launched in Spain. Price, specifications. The Nubia Red Magic 5G Lite has gone official Spain. The phone is exclusively available via Vodafone on a monthly contract basis. The Nubia Red Magic 5G Lite is powered by the Snapdragon 765G processor and has a 48-megapixel main camera at the back. It is essentially a mellower version of the Nubia Red Magic 5G phone launched in March this year. It comes equipped with a 6.5-inch OLED display with 240Hz touch sampling rate. The phone has a quad camera setup at the back aligned vertically in the top center, and the phone has slight bezels on the top and bottom portions of the display. Nubia Red Magic 5G Lite price, availability. The Nubia Red Magic 5G Lite is listed on the Vodafone site with a starting price of €17, roughly 1,400 rupees, per month with a 36-month contract. This sums up to a total of €612, roughly 52,200 rupees, for the phone. The Nubia Red Magic 5G Lite comes in a single black color option. Nubia Red Magic 5G Lite specifications. The dual SIM Nubia Red Magic 5G Lite runs on Android 10 and features a 6.65-inch OLED display with 240Hz touch sampling rate. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 765G octa-core processor paired with 8GB RAM. Internal storage is listed to be at 256GB. The quad camera setup at the back of the Nubia Red Magic 5G Lite includes a 48-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel lens, and two 2-megapixel additional sensors. Up front, the phone has an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The Nubia Red Magic 5G Lite has a 5100 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support. The phone measures at 171.7 x 78.5 x 9.1 mm, and weighs about 215 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.